Hi there, this is Alvin with KickstartCommerce.com, and in today's tutorial I want to show you how to go about registering an emoji um, domain name. And so to start with, obviously everybody knows what emojis are, and so I'm working on a Mac, and so to bring up the emoji keyboard, then you have to press Control Command Space, and here are your emojis. So most everyone is familiar with these, whether you use them on social networks, use them via text, or even your desktop. They have become quite the talk of the town in terms of just everyday usage by especially young people, but all ages are now, definitely using them, if not every text, every other text. And so, needless to say, I was quite surprised when I found out that you could actually register an emoji domain name. And so I'm going to walk you through how to do that. So if you go to google.com, then if you search for emoji, you'll see even Google has fallen in love with emojis so much that they are actually showing them now in Google search results. And so, if you want a different way to call out your web page, or even just to show distinction between your competitors, this is one good way to do it, which is to use emojis. Now, obviously, you want to make sure that the emoji is fitting for what it is that you're doing. So, so now I'm just going to show you how to go about figuring out an emoji. Now, the thing about it is, it's a little weird because it uses like a Punycode converter, and so basically that is just I guess in short, let's say you are basically taking Unicode characters and converting them into ASCII characters, which are basically smaller characters. So that being said, I want to show you how to go about registering a domain name. Now, fortunately, GoDaddy actually has a Unicode site here, and so it's three hearts. So one heart, two heart, three hearts dot ws. And so when you type that in, you can see it, and I'm using the Safari browser, so you can see the three hearts that are there. And then basically you're allowed just to come in here and type in any emoji. And like I said, if you're on Mac, then it's Control Command Space activates the emoji keyboard. So that being said, you can either go to GoDaddy's the three hearts.ws, or you can actually just go directly to GoDaddy. And once you get there, from this main menu, you can Control Command Space, and let's just say we wanted to do something like Skittles Taste the Rainbow. So obviously Taste the Rainbow is a thought or a slogan used by Skittles, but we want to just show a quick picture, so we'll do the tongue and space rainbow.ws. You hit search, and this is what we were talking about in terms of being able to come in and actually search. So once you it'll tell you that yes, your domain is available, buy it before someone else does. So you can go ahead and add it to the cart and continue to the cart, and then complete your transaction, and you will have registered a name. If you see a name, for instance, let's see here. Let's do, for instance, for kickstartcommerce.com, I did the shoe, trying to indicate kick, and then I did the cash, trying to indicate commerce. And so when you search for it, it'll tell you, sorry, that domain is taken. And so right now it's .ws is the extension that is allowing emoji names to be registered. Again, you can go directly to GoDaddy, or you can type in the three hearts .ws, go there, and you can literally put in, we'll just do let's say we love money .ws, and then it'll tell you it's taken. If it's something that's, we'll just take this for instance, pray for cookies. All right, so you're praying for cookies. If it's available, obviously it'll tell you it's available. If you hit register now, it'll take you right over to the GoDaddy site. Now, this is where I wanted to show you. So the puny code. So this is that domain that you just saw moments ago. So back here, the pray for cookies, this is what it looks like once it's converted. So it's really all the emojis start with XN dash dash. And so what you can do is pull up Punycode converter, and basically you can take this code, take it over into a converter, and it'll show you the decoded string is pray for cookies. And so you can take it from basically Punycode to normal text, or from the normal text to the actual Punycode. And so that's all you need to know. And so you can type in Punycode converter. There are a number of converters that are online, so feel free, have fun with it. And it's quite an experience just for business. I think it's a great use. For instance, I registered actually a couple of these, and so for instance, um, I did cloud security, and then as well, I also registered secure cloud. And so as we move, or rather, we're already there in terms of popularity of mobile usage. And so with mobile usage, if you think about this, if you go secure cloud, this is 2 keystrokes plus the other 3 for .ws, versus actually having to type out securecloud.com or .ws. And so if you want to know more about just the overall emojis, I recommend you going over to Domain Sherpa, and once you get there, there is a Domain Sherpa episode that actually covers emoji domain names with a couple of investors. And so if you look for why emoji domain names and go to this actual episode, the founder of the site, Michael Seiger, he basically provides a definitive guide to emoji domains. And so I recommend that you go and actually read all about emoji names, what they are, where they came from, just the entire evolution. Um, I mean, he covers quite a bit, even the different versions and when the next versions are coming out. And so I definitely say go, by all means, go look this up. It is a great tool. I found value out of it as well. They even provide emojitracker.com, which is um, basically keeping up with which emojis are used real time on Twitter the most. And so you may be able to get a couple combinations that haven't been registered just by looking through the emoji tracker. So that being said, I wish you much success in terms of attempting to get a few of these domains. Like I said, They're actually inexpensive in comparison to other new domain extensions. The .ws extension, which is for Western Samoa, is running, I think, $4.99 a pop. So that's not bad at all when you have new extensions that are sometimes running $30, $50, $70, $100. And so get in while you can, and like I said, hopefully you can make the best of this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop me a comment below. In the meantime, please feel free to visit kickstartcommerce.com for more search marketing and domain investing ideas for business. Thanks. See you soon.